Hello everybody, this is Mr. Butch, and it's time for potions class. We're getting close to Harry Potter's birthday, so I thought we would do a potions class to see what we could come up with. Alright, not all of our potions are going to need to be cooked in our cauldron. So, as I get ready for the first one, I'm going to be putting away the cauldron. And then we will start with our first potion, which is a sleeping serum potion by Professor Slughorn. Remember, if you try to recreate any of these potions at home, please make sure you're working with your parents when you do it. All right, our first potion. This is the bottle that we're going to be actually putting it in and making it in. Because all you have to do is put the ingredients in the bottle and it's ready to go. Take the cork out, just like Dumbledore. I've got to get my glasses. And here we go. 20 drops of purple passion flower oil. All right. All right. And then 20 drops of cedarwood oil. All right. 20 drops of chamomile oil. All right. So we put those 3 oils in, and we finish up the bottle using some cod liver oil. We then shake it well, and this now is our sleeping draft potion. What you do is you run a hot tub of water, a bathtub full of hot water, and you add some of this oil to the bath, and it will relax you so that you can go to sleep. You will basically go to sleep, but don't let Snape catch you sleeping in his class. So that is our sleeping serum potion by Professor Slughorn. Our next potion comes from Madam Hooch, who, as you know, teaches in the athletic department and teaching you how to ride your broom and play Quidditch. Well, her potion is called Invisibility Potion. Can't wait to see if it works. We do not need heat for it, but we do need our cauldron. The first thing we need is 1 cube of unicorn dust. 1 cube. Then we need part of a bottle of basilisk venom. Oh, wow. All right. Now we need our stirrer, because we've got to stir it 12 times, counterclockwise. Clock would go this way, counterclockwise this way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There we go. 12 times. Then we add 5 pearls. There they are. 5 beautiful pearls. So let's add them. All right, give it a quick counterclockwise stir. And the most important ingredient, these are cursed diamonds. So I'm going to pick up one of the cursed diamonds and put it in. All right. Stir one more time counterclockwise. All right. We're going to put it into this bottle. Very good. And we cork it up until we're ready to use it. When you're ready to use it, you take a cup and you pour a small amount into your cup. It's a pretty green color. Let's see what happens if I drink some. Well, can you see me? I can't see me, so I guess oh boy. She doesn't have anything written down as to how to make myself visible again. I'll be back in a little while. I've got to go talk with Professor McGonagall and Professor Snape to see what they can do about making me visible again. All right, for our next experiment. I'm a little bit scared because it comes from Hagrid. As you know, sometimes things don't turn out quite the way Hagrid expects it to. But we're going to try it anyway. We're going to take some dragon bone powder, some dragon blood, and we're going to take some essence of cobra. We're going to start off by putting the essence of cobra, sort of an orangey reddish color, into our cauldron. Then we're going to take a cup. We're going to take 7, one squirt, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. We're going to add our dragon bone powder to our cup. And then we add it to the rest. Hagrid has done it again. I'll have to try something else later. I gotta clean up this mess. Hello everybody. This potion, which actually isn't a potion, it's more of a potion spell combination. You take a cube of ice. You take Black Widow dust. And then you make sure that it has gotten all over your ice. I think I'm going to need some more. Didn't get enough the first time. There we go. Make sure that your cube is covered in the Black Widow powder. Now let's pour the extra in here and put this back in here. Then we're going to add our Dead Sea salt. Next, we're going to add some billy goat juice. And then we shake. Impowdero totalis. Wow, look at that. I'll have to let Professor Flitwick know that that one really works. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this first sessions of potion class. Keep on the lookout. There could be a part 2 coming up real soon. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.